Inspired by Nike's gridiron history, the Field General silhouette has a simple white upper with aqua blue heel panels and swooshes. Its football heritage is acknowledged by the semi-translucent rubber sole and molded outsole, while leather and synthetic materials guarantee a stylish, lifestyle-ready finish. However, what makes this pair unique is the sincere narrative that runs through it. Each pair of insoles, one in orange and the other in teal, is printed with Sam Kerr's signature in the inspirational words, "Be who you are." The phrase is also featured in stylized embroidery on the heel tabs, further highlighting Kerr's support of uniqueness and self-assurance on and off the pitch. In addition, fans can get a physical memento of Kerr's legacy by having her name engraved on the heels and unique graphic details on the sock liners. The Sam Kerr x Nike Field General PRM Be Who You Are is anticipated to go live on Nike.com in July 2025.